Hi students, welcome to week 4 of your Fitness Center course. I just wanted to touch base with you on a couple of things. Many of you have been doing a great job turning in your activity quizzes, and you've been doing a great job at maybe changing things up, which means maybe Monday you go for a hike, and Tuesday you do strength training, maybe Wednesday you do some yoga, and then on Thursday maybe you're back to your hike, which is great. As our bodies continue to get in better shape, we want to continue to change things up. We don't want to just consistently be going on the same walk all the time or the same bike ride or doing the same yoga. We want to change things up and add some variety to our workouts, not only for our health, but also to keep things a little bit exciting. So I just want you to touch base a little bit with you this week on changing up your workouts. So in your modules section, you will notice that as you're doing your activity quizzes, and of course this week will be week 4 activity quizzes, but as you're doing your activity quizzes, we have a variety of different options for you of encouraging things that we want you to try. So we have a couple of yoga options, which are the Down Dog app and then Yogi Approved. For those of you who need a tracker, if you're going on those hikes or doing something different, you can use the Map My Fitness app. Many of you have used that, and it's been a great tool. Easy for you to take a screenshot of your walk or your hike or your run and upload that into question number 4, which is your accountability piece. Fitness Blender and Pop Sugar Fitness both have great workout videos. For those of you needing something that's a little bit easier, a little bit more modified, maybe you have bad knees or you're just starting your exercise program, the modified exercises is a great resource to use. Also, our very own GCC Fitness Center YouTube channel is great. If you haven't used this yet, I would encourage all of you to use it. You will be taken to all the videos on there, and we have a variety of things, everything from a strength training workout where you wouldn't necessarily even need any equipment, such as an arms and shoulder abs workout that's 30 minutes long with Trisha. You can do some plank exercise series with Trisha. She does some great ones. We also have some yoga options on here. We have Pilates options. Another yoga option. So variety of things on our very own GCC YouTube channel, and you can get those free with your class. So I would definitely encourage you to take advantage of that. So make sure you're using these resources. Use a variety of workouts. This week, I really am encouraging you to push yourself a little bit and try a new workout, something that you haven't done in the past. As always, make sure that you are working on your required activity or your required academic assignment this week. That is going to be a spiritual wellness activity, doing some sound meditation. So I hope you all enjoy that, and just make sure you're continuing to stay healthy and be active.